So many great uses for carrying a pocket knife. I carry one with me every day. This one is one that I gave my dad for a Father's Day gift years and years and years ago. He carried it. I used to sharpen it for him every time I'd go see him. He carried it and used it for all the things that I'm suggesting you might want to use it for. This one's got 3 blades. You don't really need 3-bladed knife, but anyway, it's a beautiful knife. It's nice and not too big, just right. Highly recommend it. It's easy to sharpen. I'll do a video on sharpening one day. So here are the reasons you should carry a pocket knife. Carrying a pocket knife. You know those annoying tags inside of clothes? Yeah, well, you can wait until you find a pair of scissors, or if you're carrying a pocket knife, just cut them off at will. Knife. Letter opener. Box opener. And then once you've opened the box, you can break down the box so that it's easier to throw away. You can even pop the stuff on the inside with your knife. But now, see, got a nice flat box. It won't take up as much space.